Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. That's all there is to it. The other thing is, beside that button there is a bell. What that bell does, if you press it, it's called the notification bell. It will send you one email telling you every time I uploaded a new video. I think it's a great idea. I use it for the channels that I watch simply because it's a good reminder that shows up in my email, and I just click on the picture of the person whose email came down and it brings me directly to the video on YouTube. So it's a really great shortcut and a great reminder. So that's called the notification bell, and that's what it does. And I recommend that even if you are subscribed, to make sure that you press that bell. Okay, today is a video that I wasn't planning on doing because I didn't know I was going to be getting this. I got an email this morning from FabFitFun with a tracking number, and I couldn't figure out why I was getting this. I already received my quarterly box for winter, and I didn't order anything extra, and I couldn't figure out what it was. Finally, the doorbell rings and we get a box. And that's this huge box from FabFitFun, and I say, okay, what can this possibly be? I open it up. There is this box inside that says welcome. And that doesn't make any sense to me because I literally have been having a yearly with them for one full year, and my renewal is only coming up, I think, come February. So I said, okay, you know what, let me open this and see what this is all about. So I open up the box and it says welcome, warning, the products in this box may cause excitement. And it looks like a miniature version of the FabFitFun box that we all get, and it says welcome to your new favorite thing. So I see an invoice in here. There's no cost on it. There's an order number, and that's all that's on here. There is a magazine in here, and it simply says how the box is curated, about seasonal, 5 ways to boost your workout, like a typical FabFitFun magazine, a little bit thinner. And it says on the left-hand corner here, the starter box. That makes zero sense to me. Why would I get a starter box if I have a yearly subscription? So I get a note in here, and it says a note from us. We're bringing you the best. That's why we're super excited for you to experience this starter box. It's just a small taste of what you can look forward to as a FabFitFun member. Enjoy some of our top-rated products and so on and so forth. I am totally confused, so I go back to the shipping label, make sure that it's coming to my address, my name, everything. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm going to go on FabFitFun. I'm going to go through the email process and get some answers. They had an option to go on a live chat. And I said, you know what? I'm going to do the live chat first because then the emails are going to go back and forth, and I wanted to get answers a little bit quicker. So I figured I would try the chat first, and that's what I did. So I went on the chat. They came on right away. I think I was second in the queue, and they were phenomenal. I gave them all the information. They asked me for a picture of the shipping label. I sent them that. I gave them a picture of the paperwork inside that had an order number. I gave them all the information. I made sure that they knew that I was already an annual, and if they wanted this box back, to send me the label and so on and so forth. Long story short, they said they're going to look into it. They said it's obviously some error on their part, and they wished me a happy holidays and said that I can keep this as a gift to myself. So I was surprised and overwhelmed that I received this. I have never received a starter box. When I started with FabFitFun, I didn't have any connections to coupon codes or any of that. I did it directly as a yearly, and that was that. So I figured, you know what, let me sit down and share this video with you guys so that you can see what a starter box is, because I have offered it on my channel. I've gotten phenomenal emails and Instagrams back telling me how much they love their starter box, but I never really know what's in a starter box. So I figured I would share that with you guys today. So it's just a couple of items. It's nothing that big, but the value is definitely there. So inside the box, they have a cute little tag that has the FFF for FabFitFun with tissue paper. And then I'm just going to pull these few items out that are in here and then go through them with you. So just quickly, I got a Yummy Kim. It looks like it is a beautiful, beautiful cosmetic bag. You know, that's the first item here. And then on the card, it says that this Yummy Kim is a hanging train case. They're saying it's a multiple functional train case. It's complete with a hanger and a fold-out pocket for major storage capabilities, and it's a $58 value. The next item that I received in here is another one that I'm not familiar with, and it is from Grown Alchemist. It's a Hydra Repair Day Cream, and that's what it looks like here. All of these items come in the retail box, and that's what the item looks like here. This is a product I've never had or never used, so I'm excited to use it. What this item says, it is a Hydra Repair Day Cream. It's saying it's a nourishing, non-greasy, features chamomile and rose hip oil with visibly improved skin's hydration levels and leaves your skin feeling smooth. And they're saying this is a $49 value. The next item in here is from Spongelli. It's a Black Orchid body wash infused buffer, and it's saying it's for multi-use. It's saying it cleanses and rejuvenates the skin from neck to toe. It's a unique surface, changes from an exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk when you use it in the shower. And they're saying that's a $16 value. And it says it's a body wash buffer, dermatology tested, will clean, exfoliate, hydrate, and massage. The box is beyond stunning. So another item that I'm not really that familiar with. And then the last item is another item that is new to me as well. And this is a leave-in mask by Moroccan. They're saying it's the Gold Series. And this here they're saying is seal in moisture, protect against heat and UV damage, and detangle your hair with a lightweight treatment mask. And this is a $39 value. So I'll just open up this box to show you what this looks like, and that's this item here. So definitely a surprise, but a pleasant one, because like I said, these are all items that I never had the opportunity to use. So this was a great surprise for me. And like I said, I'm over the moon that I wrote to them and they told me to keep it, and I will use these products. And if any of these are major winners, like you know, I will definitely give you guys my feedback on it. So like I said, this is a starter box with a retail value of $162. And the starter boxes, which I've done on my channel, is when they become available to me, I have offered them to you guys. And like I've said, I think I've given away about 6 of them already since I started my channel only a few months ago. So really, really happy that this is what you guys are getting when we're able to give it to FabFitFun, and really, really excited to share that with you. So like I said, everything was an absolute surprise. Just wanted to share that with you. So everything, all the information that I have, I love making sure to pass that along. So that's what we're doing here. So once again, thank you for finding me. Thank you for sharing your time with me. And if you have not subscribed yet, I really hope you will choose to. It is the red button that's right underneath this video. All you do is press it, it turns gray, and you're in. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That supposedly helps me a lot on YouTube. And please, it helps me so much when you guys network and tell your friends, your family, your coworkers about my channel, because that's how I've been growing. It's all been through word of mouth. So I want to say thank you to everybody that has helped me grow. So once again, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.